Hello guys, this is Jamil from FreeBSD Planet. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to write text behind anything. So tutorial is for beginners, step by step. Select a type tool and write any text that you want. I'm writing PE behind. Increase the size of text. Press Ctrl T to transform the text. So here is our text. So I want to text behind these buildings. So select add layer mask. So here is our layer mask. Now select black color here and now select brush tool. Select soft brush, hardness 0% and size that you want for your design. So decrease the opacity. Select harder brush. This is very easy tutorial and step-by-step tutorial. So increase the opacity. Change the color to I want to like this one. Select white to here we delete this wrong, so here is and here is our perfect image. When black you can delete, and when here is white you cannot delete. So here is our final image. So with this technique you can write behind text. Thanks for watching. If you have any question you can ask me in comment section. Thank you and goodbye.